Hello students, let us see example number second based on formula method. Am square minus 14m plus 13 is equal to 0. Again, if you observe this example carefully, already it is in a proper standard form. So, directly you can write the solution part by comparing given quadratic equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Yes, what are the values of a, b and c? Definitely again for m square there is no coefficient given, so m square will, value of a will have equal to 1, that of b is negative 14 and that of c is positive 13 or plus 13. Again you can calculate the value of b square minus 4ac. b is negative 14, so negative 14 bracket square minus sign 4, a is replaced by 1 and b will replaced by 13. Negative 14 square will become 196 minus 4 into 1 into 13, entire product you will get equal to 52. So 196 minus 52, you will get answer equal to 144. 144 is the value of b square minus 4ac. Now you have to substitute that value in the standard formula of completing square method. That is, formula method. M is equal to minus b plus minus under square root b square minus 4ac upon twice of a. This is the standard formula of formula method. Now you have to substitute the values. M is equal to, here value of b is negative, so we have written it in the bracket, separate bracket. So minus, in bracket minus 14 plus minus under square root 144, which is the value of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So 2 in bracket 1, which is the value of a. Now see, m is equal to minus minus will become 14, positive 14 or plus 14, plus minus 144 will under square root will remain as it is, then 2 again will remain as it is. Now see, m is equal to 14 plus minus 144 is having square root equal to 12 and then 2 will remain as it is. So m is equal to 14 plus minus 12 upon 2. Now here m is equal to 14 plus 12 upon 2, or m is equal to 14 minus 12 upon 2. 14 plus 12 will have answer equal to 26, 26 upon 2, and 14 minus 12 will have answer equal to 2, so 2 by 2. M is equal to 13. Answer of division of 26 divided by 2 will be 13 and that of 2 by 2 will be 1. So 13 and 1 are the roots of given quadratic equation. This is all about the second example. Now let us see example number 3. Example is 25x square plus 30x plus 9 is equal to 0. Again, if you observe this example, it is in the proper standard form in which it is needed to solve it by using a formula method. So directly you can compare the given quadratic equation with the standard form to get the values of a, b and c as 25, 30 and 9 respectively. Now next step is as usual, b square minus 4ac is equal to 30 bracket square, 30 is the value of b, minus 4, value of a is 25 and that of c is 9. 30 square will become 900 minus, again if you do the product of 4, 25 and 9, again you will get 900 itself. So 900 minus 900, you will get answer equal to 0. b square minus 4ac is 0. Now standard formula of formula method, that is x is equal to minus b plus minus under square root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, that is twice of a. Substitute the values. X is equal to minus value of b is 30, so minus 30 plus minus under square root b square minus 4ac is 0, so 0 upon 2a, so 2 in bracket 25, which is the value of a. Now x is equal to minus 30 plus minus 0 upon 2 into 25, you will get 50. 25 to the 50. So x is equal to minus 30 plus minus 0 upon 50. Separation, minus 30 plus 0 upon 50, or second value you can get minus 30 minus 0 upon 50. Now if you see, even if you add 0 or even if you subtract 0 from negative 30, answer will remain negative 30 itself at the numerator. So x is equal to negative 30 upon 50, or x is equal to, again same answer, that is negative 30 upon 50. If you reduce that, 0 0 can get cancelled, so it will become equal to x is equal to negative 3 upon 5, or x is equal to negative 3 upon 5. Here if you see, both the roots are equal. This is only the final answer of example number 3. Thank you, children, and have a nice day. Thank you.